In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to Gmail signature. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click the settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the quick settings panel, click See All Settings. Stay on the General tab and scroll down until you find the signature section. Here, you can either select your existing signature or create a new one by clicking the plus. Create New button. Inside the signature editor, click the Insert Image icon in the toolbar above the signature text box. A window will open, allowing you to add your logo. You can paste your logo's image URL, select it from the Google Drive tab, or click Upload on the left sidebar to upload the logo directly from your computer. If you choose to upload from your device, either drag and drop the logo into the upload area or click Browse to locate the logo file from your computer. Once the logo appears in the signature text box, click on the image to adjust its size. You can choose small, medium, or large depending on how you want it to appear in your emails. Next, scroll down to the signature default section and select your signature name from the For New Emails Use drop-down menu to set it as your default signature. After everything looks correct, scroll to the very bottom of the page and click Save Changes. To test it, click the Compose button in the top left corner and verify that your logo appears correctly in a new email. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.